Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to do a chair conformation ring flip using your molecular models. I've got my white shirt on so you get a better background. Before you do this though, it's very important that you make sure that all of your tetrahedra are put together correctly. So here I have the two pieces. If you read carefully, you can see in raised letters it says SP3 on it. So when you put these together, you want to be able to hear the two clicks. There is one click. In order to get them fully together though, look at how my fingers are positioned. I've got my index finger and my middle finger on either side of one of the pieces, and then my thumbnail is essentially shoving the other piece so that it comes fully together and gets me the second click. There was the second click. The chair flips will not work well if your tetrahedra are not fully together. So here's the chair conformation. In the chair conformation, there are 3 carbons that are sort of pointing more up. There are 3 carbons that are sort of pointing more down, and they alternate as you go around the ring. When you look at the different colored balls, you'll notice that the white balls are all pointing straight up, or if I have the molecule turned over, they're pointing straight down. Those are called axial positions. The colored balls are not pointing straight up or straight down, but they are pointing up or down. These are the equatorial positions. So the green ball is equatorial up. The blue ball is also up, but the red ball is equatorial down. In order to do a ring flip, what you do is you grasp by opposite ends of the molecule. This hand, where the red ball is, this carbon is sort of pointing up. The hand where the green ball is, that carbon is sort of pointing down. If you do not have an up versus a down, then you are not looking at a chair conformation. So what you do is you start to slowly rotate the up carbon so that it is going to point down. While you're doing that, you're rotating the other carbon at the same time, and you get a new chair conformation. If your molecules are new, then this should snap together pretty readily. Don't try to force it. You notice my hands are really not moving that much. They're just moving a little bit. Now you note what happens though when you do a ring flip. So here all of the white balls are axial. They're all pointing straight up. When I do the ring flip, you'll see that now all the white balls are equatorial, and the equatorial colored balls are now axial. So the green is axial up for blue, axial down for red. All of the white balls are equatorial up. Here's the ring flip. All of the white balls are axial up. Red ball is equatorial down. Blue ball is equatorial up. Green ball is equatorial up. This is something that you need to practice so that you can become adept at showing these chair conformation ring flips.